Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Cindy Swamteta, student number 6315447. This is my assignment 6 module BPT 1501. Today I'll be talking about how do plants, animals, and people get energy. I'll bring it closer so you can see. As you see this picture here, it shows the relationship between plants, animals, and people. I'll first talk about plants as it is my first point. Before I talk about the relationship of how plants, people, and animals get energy, I'll firstly like to emphasize this point that plants, animals, and people get energy in different but connected ways. Okay, let me begin. I'll begin with plants. Plants get their energy from the sun. Okay, through a process of photosynthesis where they use sunlight, carbon dioxide from the air, or the atmosphere, as you see here, atmosphere, or the sunlight. As I said, sunlight comes from the sun. Here is our sun. And also they use water from the soil to make glucose. What is glucose? Someone may ask. Glucose is a type of sugar. Okay, as you learn, you will know, you grow to know and learn about types of sugars. Okay, which provide energy for plants. Okay, I'll move to my second point, which is animals. I will go down to my second picture. As you can see here, the cows are eating grass, and grass is a plant. So you can see the relationship between plants and animals. Animals feed from plants. Okay, animals get energy by eating plants. Their bodies break down food into nutrients like glucose, which is used for energy through a process of cellular respiration. Okay, remember, I'm still showing the relationship between plants, animal, and people, and how all these three need each other or essential to each other. I'll go to my third point, which is people. Okay, people are also animals. Okay, don't get offended. Yes, it is said. All right. People get energy the same way as animals by eating plants and animals. But people eat plants in a form of fruit, as you can see here. Here are my fruits, okay, and vegetables. And here is a bowl with vegetables, okay. Let's proceed. Okay, where we were. Plants, as I said, people eat plants and animals. Their digestive system breaks down the plants and animals into nutrients. Their body cells use to make energy. Okay, and all the three depend on a sun. All right, now you get it. The sun provides the plants provide the animals provide the people. Okay, as I said, all three rely in the sun in some way. Plants directly rely on the sun, and people indirectly, as well as animals. Okay, now I'll move to my next point, which says, why do we need plants? As you see, I indicated here that it is a very, very important question. Okay, let's check. Why do we need plants? We need plants for shade. As you can see here, the kids are sitting under a tree, and a tree is a plant. Food give us some plants give us juice and food. Some plants gives us flowers to decorate in our homes. Some plants provide shelter for animals. As you can see here, a bird is on a tree. Let's move. Some plants gives animals shelter. Okay, I already said that. I'm sorry to repeat the same point. And it also provides us with energy through a process of photosynthesis that I've mentioned above. Also, plants provide us with medicine. Also with soil protection. How? Plants has roots. The root prevents soil erosion, which helps to maintain soil fertility. Okay, so now I will show the important relationship between the three. As I said that all three need each other. I'm sorry, I'm trying to position my camera to the picture so that it's clear. Okay, as you see here, I wrote herbivores, carnivores. Okay, we all remember that herbivores are animals that eat plants only. Carnivores are animals that eat meat only. Okay, why is the relationship between plants, people, and animals important? It is because it helps to keep the nature balanced and life possible. Plants make oxygen that animals and people breathe. People and animals give carbon dioxide to the plants for the process of photosynthesis. Plants are the main source of food. Animals eat plants and people eat both plants and animals. Therefore, we can all see that all three need each other. Okay? And that's where we need to know that we need to take care of plants like we're taking care of ourselves, because they are so important. Okay? It is very bad when plants are destroyed. I will explain how. When plants are destroyed, it has a very big effect on both animals and people, because plants play a huge role, a very essential role in ecosystem. If trees are destroyed, there will be a loss of food sources for herbivores. Okay, remember we also do fall under herbivores, since they told us that humans are also animals. So if herbivores are animals that eat plants only, it means we fall under there. So if plants are destroyed, we also get affected. So I'll show you a picture here where plants are destroyed, which is called deforestation. As I've written here, you can see the trees are cut down. Okay, let's go back to the point I was talking about. Okay, if plants are cut down, the food chain gets affected, since plants are the base of the food chain. Okay, the whole food chain can collapse because the trees are cut down. Plants absorb carbon dioxide. Without them, more carbon dioxide will stay in the atmosphere, making the global warming worse. And if the global warming is worse, we know what will happen. We'll get burnt by the sun. It will be difficult to move around. Plants are very important to people and animals, So we all need to take care of plants, because see, some animals lose their habitat. Now they don't know where to go. They don't know what to eat. The plant is being cut down. See, we all need to love plants and take care of them, because they are very important in our lives. We need them on our daily basis. If I'm talking about daily basis, I mean food and everything. If we take care of the plants,